Okra, one of my favorite vegetable. You might have tried making okra in different ways, but how about okra with grated coconut? One of the beautiful recipes passed by my grandma. Let's see how to make it in Dazed in flavor. Welcome to Dazed in Flavor. This is one of my favorite okra recipe mastered by my grandma, and she did teach me this super simple, easy recipe with okra. Let's jump quickly into how to make it. In a hot pan, add coconut oil about 1 tablespoon, to which I'm adding mustard seed. When the mustard seed splatters, we're going to add the green chili. Here, I'm adding 5 to 6 green chilies, but add according to your spice level. Give it a quick saute. And to this, we are going to add sliced red onions. I'm adding 1 large red onion here. The onions are fried for a minute. Now let's transfer it into another bowl and let's keep it aside so that the onions are crisp and does not become soggy when we add the okra. Now to the same pan, let's add okra. Note that I have sliced okra into thin, long pieces, unlike the regular circle pieces. So this is another specialty. This gives a totally different flavor too. And note that we are not going to overcook this. So now let's add salt as required. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Add as per your flavor and requirements. And then we are going to close it with a lid and let it sit for not more than 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our okra is cooked. Now to this, I'm adding the onions and the green chilies that we have kept aside. Now the onions and the green chilies are going to be crispy. To this, I'm going to add grated coconut. I'm adding 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. We're going to mix it well. Note that the grated coconut shouldn't be cooked. Yummy, healthy and delicious okra fried ready. Okra Thoran, speciality of Kerala. Enjoy it with hot rice or roti. Get dazed in flavor.